So last class, we established in a very simple manner the need for Lakshana. Now let us see the same thing a little more technically. When all the words in a sentence refer to one object, it is called, that arrangement of words is called Samanadhikarana. Samana Adhikarana, the same Adhikarana, the same locus. Like if I were to say, big, black, wild elephant. Everyone thought big blue fragrant lotus. We are in Anekatti. Come on. If I were to say big, black, wild elephant, what is the object we are referring to? Elephant. It's a big elephant, it's a black elephant, it's a wild elephant. So what is big is wild, what is wild is black, and what is black is elephant. All refer to the same object. This is called, this sentence has Samanadhikaranyam, because they are referring to the same object. In Sanskrit, the definition would be Bhinna Pravarti Nimittanam Padanam. Bhinna Pravarti Nimittanam Padanam Ekasmin Bimbe Tatparyam. I'll explain each word, don't worry. Bhinnam, different. Pravarti, function, meaning. Nimittanam, instrumental for that. Padanam, words. In short, words having different meanings. Bhinna Pravarti Nimittanam Padanam. Padanam, words having Bhinna Pravarti, different function, different meaning. Ekasmin Bimbe, in one entity, Tatparyam, intention. So words having different meaning have their intention in one entity. Big meaning is different, black is different, wild is different, but all of them have their intention in one entity, elephant. One entity. Such a sentence is a sentence having Samanadhikaranyam, the bhava of Samanadhikaranam. Samanadhikaranyam.
What is nimittam?
Samanadhikaranyam. Nimittam meaning instrumental or made for, meant for. Okay. Therefore, Samanadhikaranyam. This is just the arrangement of words, how you are arranging it. It is not a shopping list. Shopping list is also arrangement of words, no? Washing soap, body soap, shampoo, mirror, comb. This is a shopping list, it's just a list. But big black wild elephant is not a shopping list. It's a purposeful sentence describing one entity. Now, if a sentence is constructed in this manner, if a sentence is made in this manner, there will be an adjectival relationship between the words, between the meaning of the words. In Sanskrit it is called Visheshana, Visheshya, Bhava. Visheshana adjective, Visheshya the noun, Bhava the sense of noun and adjective. That one will become the adjective for the other. Okay? Adjectival relationship, which is also very clear in big, black, wild elephant. Adjectival relationship, all of them are adjectives of elephant. So, if somebody says, hey, here is a big black wild elephant, meaning clear or not clear? Clear. Do you need to go for implied meaning? Lakshana? No, no. Unless you are meaning it as a joke. Like I was in Kerala recently, last month. Not last month, this month. Not yet 30th, no, this month, beginning of it. So an elephant and the mahout was going. So some of the Nambudris were sitting down there. Nambudri is a Kerala Brahmin. They form the equivalent for the Sardarji in the north, in south, okay? So one of them is asking, Eda Ana, which elephant? Which elephant can mean from which temple the elephant is? So the other Nambudri is standing, you know, they were a tremendous sense of humor. They saying, you know that skinny character walking, that is the mahout. And that big black entity, that is the elephant. So, you don't need to say that. You know, the elephant. There is no contradiction anywhere, nothing, no need for any interpretation. Correct? There is no need for any interpretation either. Big black, wild elephant, finished. Now, remember the example of me in Rishikesh. This is that Ram Mohan. This is that Ram Mohan. This Ram Mohan and that Ram Mohan are one and the same. Patwardhan scratches his head. Why? That Ram Mohan was naval officer. This Ram Mohan Sadhu Maharaj. He's a monk. This Sadhu. There is a contradiction. It doesn't fit in. Tat Tvamasi, you are Ishvara. Yeah. I'm not a megalomaniac here. No. Unless you want to christen me Ishvara now, you know, new name. Like how sadhus get new names, Brahmacharya Diksha, Sannyasi Diksha. So like that. But otherwise, there is an apparent contradiction there. When Visheshna Vishesha Bhava, the adjectival relationship doesn't seem tenable. Ishvara is Sarvajnaha, Sarvakarta, Sarvavyapi, Sarvajnaha, all-knowing, Sarvavyapi, all-pervading. Make out Alpajnaha, little bit knowledge. Not a big ignorant, thoda hai. Alpavyapi, I know I put on weight, but I have not expanded that much. Thoda hi hai. Alpavyapi. Alpa Shaktiman. Ishvara is Sarva Shaktiman, created the whole universe. Make kya kiya? Confusion. Confuse people. That's my job, I'm good at it. So in this context, the direct meaning creates contradictions. Why? Because Visheshna Vishesha Bhava is not tenable. I cannot be a quality for Ishvara, Ishvara cannot be a quality for me. If I become a quality for Ishvara, Ishvara will become samsari. Problem ho jayega. He will have existential issues. Teenage angst. Marriage problems. Parenting issues. So many things here. Samsari ban jayega. And if Ishvara becomes a quality for me, I should become Sarvajnaha, Sarva Shakti. Lord, if you give me enough so that I can make my students understand, bhoot ho gaya. Sarva Shakti ki tarah. Are you getting the idea? Which cannot be adjectives of each other. Therefore, like in Soyam Ramohana, to put it in proper Sanskrit. Okay, Soyam Ramohana, Ramamohana, not Ram. Ram is Hindi. There should be an akara there. In North India, they have a habit of swallowing the vowels. Rama ko Ram bana diga. To prevent that in South India, they put it in nakara there. So Rama will become Raman or respectfully Ramar in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Like Dayananda will become Dayanandan. Yeah. So in Soyam Ramamohana, that Saha is, this person is standing in front of Saha, this character. Sadhu. I am Saha. I am is Sadhu. Saha is what? Naval officer. Janta nahi hai. In the listener's mind, it is not tenable. Therefore, implication. Lakshana Vakya. And we saw the 3 Lakshanas. Jahat Lakshana, where you give up the word. On the Ganga, on the banks. Something related you bring in. Or you add a word. Ajahat Lakshana. Black dog. Or Jaha Jahat Lakshana. Where you retain something, drop something. Retain what is not negatable, negate what is negatable. The roles of sadhu and naval officer, negatable. The person is there, fills up both the roles. The person fills up both the roles. Both the roles are dependent on the person is independent of the role. Therefore, the person in that example is not negatable, but the roles are negatable. Roles तो आनी जानी है, आता जाता है ना. Roles keep coming and going, negatable. And how easy it is to negate a role? Very easy. Your sister is sitting here, your mother is sitting here. You look here, you become sister. You look here, you become daughter. What is it required to negate? Just this much. This sister, this daughter. Role gone, na? How fast? We have to negate the roles. It takes a lot of effort. What effort? Not you. Why are you holding on to the role? Digressing a bit, but why are you holding on? It's so easy to negate. You do it. Don't you do it? It's so easy. You look at a colleague, you're a colleague. You look at your husband, oh, why? Just looking away.
You have only taken up a new role.
Huh? New role. Or new role also the same.
You not dropped all the roles, but
Huh?
it is replaced by another role.
But any role can be dropped. If any role can be dropped, all roles can be dropped. All you have to do is go to sleep. All roles are dropped.
Yeah. Or be alone.
Huh? Or be alone. All roles are dropped. Unless you are carrying it in your mind. That happens. You carry it here. I always say this, no? Person goes for a break, someone's birthday party. I will forget everything else. And someone comes and says, oh, I am so and so, what are you? I am so and so. What do you do? I'm a doctor. Oh, you're a doctor. You know, I have this backache. You have gone there to drop the role. But I have this backache. So this person responds, no, my doctorate actually is in economics. Do you have any nice share market tips? How do you think the market will function? Drop it now. As though a doctorate in economics will know how the market is going to function. If you knew how the Dow market was going to function, you wouldn't be in some of the mess we were a few years back. That apart. Dropping of rules. So for in Soyam Ramohana Saha Ayam is very easy, clear cut. Same way you apply it to Tattvamasi iti. Tad Ishvara. Tvam Jiva. Tattvam Asi. No, I'm Sishya. Siksha Yogya. Yeah, but who's studying? The one who knows the truth or one who doesn't know the truth? The one who knows the truth need not study. The one who doesn't know the truth is studying. Therefore, Jivatvam is there. That's why you are asking, how can I be Ishvara? If I replace the word Ishvara with the name of your Ishta Devata, all of you will become uncomfortable. I worship Narayana. Acha, you are Narayana. I am Lakshmi Narayana, not Narayana. Not Sakshat Narayana. I am Lakshmi Narayana. You will say that. So the conventional way of explaining is that what is Ishvara has to be clear, what is you has to be clear. Okay. Now, in terms of you, let us start there. Though in Chandogya he starts with what is Ishvara. Let us start with you first. Okay. I am revising this, okay? Because if all this was very crystal clear, you wouldn't be here. You need not be here. Revising. The only question worth asking or answering in Vedanta, who are you? I'll run over because I'm revising. Body. Body is tall, I am tall. Body is sitting, I am sitting. Body is walking, I am walking. Body is fair, I am fair. Body is dark, I need fair and lovely. Sorry, body is dark, I am dark. Universal experience. I equals body. At the same time, you have another experience. What is that? I walked so much yesterday, my body is aching. I went up and down, I am not used to all this activity. My body is aching. Hey. He said, I body or my body? Decide that first. Both are your experiences, correct? Both cannot be same. My phone, not iPhone, even if it is an iPhone. My phone, but it doesn't become iPhone even if it is an iPhone. Yeah, I and mine cannot be the same. What is it? Hey, the body is not you. Why? Simple logic. If there is confusion, you need a logic analysis. We will give you a simple logic. Whatever you are aware of, you are different from. You are independent of. I am aware of this table. I am using this table. I am resting on this table. It looks as though I am dependent on the table. But I am aware of the table, therefore I am different from the table. I am independent of the table. Even though I am now resting on the table. That means what? Even though you are resting in your body, you are using your body, you are really speaking independent of it, different from. In short, it's the body that is dependent on you. You are independent. How the body is dependent, we'll clarify a bit more later. You have heard this from me a lot of times. Most of you have heard. Similarly, you are independent of your mind. Mind is restless, I am restless. Or you will say, my mind is agitated. I am restless or my mind is agitated. Two types of experiences. Same logic. Are you aware of your mind? Yeah. How can I say I am agitated or I am restless? Different from, independent from. That means you are independent of the mind. Mind is dependent on you. Without you, mind cannot think. Logically, now I am pausing here to handle something. Logically, this is clear. But very difficult for you to accept it as a fact of your life. You know why? Because in our functioning, we don't see ourselves as independent of the body and mind. Body demands something, I give in to that. Yes, I can't walk that much. It's your body, no? You are independent of the body. Push it, let it do it. समझिए नहीं होता है. मैं वो try किया. I'm not asking you to try, I'm asking you to do. Big difference. We don't do that. We don't have that discipline. We don't have that discipline. To see that I can push my body, it is my body. Whether aging or young. Swamiji, I have become old now. Yeah, I also got up and stretched. And every part of my body cracked. Cracking, crack. And then that's the time I discovered I am old and crisp. Good, no? Old and crisp. But we don't see ourselves as like that. Similarly, mind. We given so much to the mood of the mind. Mood nahi hai. Now, when I feel comfortable with it, I will do it. Which means never. We given too much to the body and mind. We let the body and mind dictate terms to us. Yeah. We let the body and mind dictate terms to us. That is why it's difficult to see the truth of this point. And the whole crux is there. That's why Swami Vivekananda said, I find football very spiritual. Football can be more spiritual than your religious practice. He said something to that effect. Why? In football you have to push yourself. You have to overcome pain, fatigue, discomfort. The recent photograph of that character who got kicked in the head. Bleeding in the head, he scored a goal. He's bleeding from the head and he scored a goal. That is it.
I think Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. Body is meant for me, I have to tell. Body will listen to what I tell it to listen. Yeah, I am saying you don't have to push out so much that you will injure yourself. That's a different thing, but part of that apart. Push. See the fact that you are independent of the body and mind. Sometimes you say no to the body and mind, sometimes you say yes to the body and mind. I don't feel like doing that. No, yes, you will do it. But look at some of the ads. क्या करूं? Control नहीं हो पाता है. Nobody can eat just one. Can you see this ad? Why? Now you feel good with these ads. You know why? Hey, I'm not the only one. Nah? There are others in my position. You feel validated. But what is it that you're validating about yourself? Your helplessness with respect to the body and mind. And long back, I did a little bit of horse riding. So, the guy there was saying, you should sit on the horse like a master. You are in charge. You are not a passenger. In a car you can be a passenger. Not on a horse. Not on a bike. You can't be a passenger. You are in charge. Similarly, not in your body. Not in your mind. You are not a passenger. You are the master. Ratha Swami you are. Remember that imagery from the Gita, from the Kathopanishad? You are the Ratha Swami.
Saradi.
Huh?
Saradi.
Yeah. You are the one in charge. You are the Swami there. The person in charge. Then, that who am I will become clearer. It will become a fact of your life. We will do some things in our workshop set up to help make it more a fact of your life. We will do that. Okay. But coming back to the topic. Therefore, I am not this body, I am not this mind, I am independent of the body and mind. Body and mind is dependent on me. So also, knowledge I am aware of, my ignorance I am aware of. I am the one who is aware of all this. I am that awareness because of which I am aware of all this. Awareness, consciousness, same word, because of which I am conscious, I am aware of everything. What all have I negated now? From my roles onwards we started to the body, mind, knowledge, ignorance, everything. In between you can put the prana also. I am low energy, I am high energy. I have done a lot of energy work today, I am feeling good. Because somebody came and told me that energy is what we really are. Energy you are manipulating. You are fiddling with. If you have done some pranayamas properly, you are fiddling with energy. You are toying with it, making it go here, there, everywhere you want it to go. But I have not done any pranayamas, what to do? Now what can I do? Are you getting that? You are the one that conscious awareness. So, this is now what? Are you aware of consciousness? This body, I am the one who is aware of this body, conscious of this body. This mind, I am the one who is conscious of the mind. This knowledge of mind, I am conscious of. Ignorance, conscious of. Consciousness, subject object hai udhar. Try right now. Don't just swallow just because the Dadiwala is saying it. The awareness in your mind, which we call knowledge, you are aware of. But the consciousness with which the mind gained the knowledge, are you aware of that? The consciousness because of which the mind became awareful and you are aware of things. That consciousness, is it an object of your awareness? Is the consciousness an object of your consciousness? It's just playing with words. It's just playing with words, it cannot be. Therefore, that is intrinsic. That is non-negatable. How will you negate yourself? Tell me. You can negate your body, even physically possible. Go up on one of those peaks, easy to do it. Or run into that big black wild. Your mind also you can negate. You are negating your mind all the time. One thought came, gone, one thought came, gone, one thought came, gone. Correct, Swamiji. That's why I don't remember anything. Knowledge negatable. What is science anyway? You are negating the previous knowledge when you are getting a new thing. They started by saying, Indians use coconut oil, very bad for health. Now they are saying coconut oil is superfood. You won't get dementia, Parkinson's, etc. if you take coconut oil regularly.
It is not available for that.
Have you ever seen a Mallu with dementia? No. So, previous knowledge negated, new knowledge came in. You are doing it all the time. Knowledge negatable. Go to sleep, everything is negatable. I am not saying go to sleep in the class. That's a different thing. All these are negatable. From your roles up to your ignorance, all negative. All not you. Consciousness, not negatable. Therefore, jaha jaha lakshanam will be what? Negate what you can, don't negate what you can't. Simple. So the I has to end up where? Starting from a role has to end up in I consciousness. Oh, okay. I am consciousness, all right. But the world is so big. And I am so small here. There are various ways of handling it. I am going to follow one line. Okay? The world is so big and I am so small. And the whole world is what? We saw it before as Ishvara. Now this is a beautiful paradigm in Chandogya, Tattvamasi. Remember that question Shetaketu was asked? Have you asked for that thing knowing which? Everything is. And we came to Ishvara. But Ishvara we came in a simple manner. In the language of the, or the paradigm of the Chandogya, very beautifully said. Karya Karanam he establishes. If you know Karanam, you know Karya. Then he says one more word. This is very important here. He says, if you know clay, you will know Gataha. You will know pot. Why? Because all pots are Vacharambanam, Namadeyam, Nrittikeva Satyam. Puja Swami used to use all these props. He would pick it up one and says, this pot, the weight of the pot is the weight of the clay. The color of the pot is the color of the clay. The feel of the pot is the feel of the clay. So what is there is nothing but clay. Where is pot? Pot is purely conceptual. If you say pot and I say clay, what remains? Clay will remain, because if I drop it, there is no pot, there is only clay. I'm not going to drop it. This is Puja Swamiji's Lakshana. Can you see that? It's negatable. Any creation is what? Are you creating an existing thing or a non-existing thing? Pot came from clay, correct? Are you creating an existing pot or a non-existing pot?
Existing.
Pot was not there before you had clay, and from clay you created pot. Therefore, did you create a non-existent pot? What? Existing or non-existing?
Existing.
Before the creation of pot, it was non-existent. After the destruction of pot, it will be non-existent. Correct? No.
Potential.
The pot is a potential in clay. That is why if I give you sand, you will not be able to create a pot. And tell me, is there a pot? Many of you are wearing gold chains. If you want experiential learning, from the chain, leave the gold with me and take the chain away. साधु हमें gold chain से क्या करेगा? Somebody said, why don't you wear this Rudraksha and a gold chain? साधु आदमी यार सिंपल रहेगा, धागा में पहन ले, बस हो. Gold chain से मैं क्या करूँ? Gold हाँ काम पर आएगा थोड़ा. No, you can buy a plot of land, put up an ashram. Okay, fine. Leave the gold with me, take the chain away. You'll never forget this lesson all your life. That's why experiential learning is very effective. Where is the chain? There's no chain, there's only gold. There's no pot, there's only clay. No, but some pot is there, I can carry water in pot. Vak Arambanam. For a word, there is a form. There is no entity as such. Entity is clay. Reality is clay. Vrittike eva satyam. And if clay is satyam, pot will become what? Mithya. A word. A word. There is no thing called mithya. Okay? Mithya is not a thing. Mithya is describing the status of reality of a thing. How real or unreal it is. Like in English language, we have a few words. Up to 11:15 is the class, no? 11:15 to 11:45 is the break, correct? Tea break is at?
11.
11:15.
No, 11:15.
Huh?
11:50 to 11:45 is the break.
Yeah, okay. Now look at it. In English, we have a few terms. Okay? We have real for real things. We have false, real. My head is real. My fist is real. The horn on my head, unreal, doesn't exist. Okay. Neither like the rhinoceros, nor like the elephant, nor like the buffalo. Doesn't exist. None of these things. Not there. Unreal. And we have another word for things which are false. Your reflection in a mirror, false. Because this character is not there. Mirage water, false. So you have real, unreal, false. Three things. Now tell me, why do you call your body real and that mirage water false? Sounds simple. When you go towards the mirage water, that water is negated. But this body will there. You come close to me also, the body is still there. At the most, I may be uncomfortable if you come too close. Or I may be comfortable also. But body is there. Body is real, that's all. Acha. Because it is negatable, you are saying it is unreal. False. Then let me define, from what you have told me, let me define reality. That which cannot be negated is real. Abhaditam satyam. Abhaditam satyam. Now look at the things that you defined earlier. My horns, unreal. So that unreal remains unreal. Mirage water, false, remains false. But what about the table, my head, etc.? There a problem, man. You can't say real, because real is that which is not negatable. This is negatable, everything is negatable. So now what? The table, negatable. Your clothes, negatable. Even when you're wearing it. Why? Kurta kidhar hai? There is no kurta. There is only cloth. Negated. Where is table? It's only wood. Negated. In English, you don't have a word for it because the idea is not there. Therefore, in Sanskrit, we have a word, Vacharambanam, that which is dependent only on the word, Mithya. What's the translation of Mithya into English? M-I-T-H-Y-A. Mithya. Apparent comes close, not exact translation. Comes close. We use this in our tradition of teaching in English. We use this, it comes close. The closest you can get in English. So now look at it. He says, Sadeva Saumya Idamagram Asit Ekameva Adutiyam Brahman. Before all this, meaning all these Nama Rupas came up, names and form. What was there was nothing but pure existence. Sat alone. Sad Eva. And from that, all this manifested. What is manifestation? Pot clay, cloth kurta, gold ornament, iron nail cutter, his examples. But all these are inert things. What about live things? Seed and tree. I say this often in my class because that seed and tree is a beautiful example. The seed is nothing but solidified knowledge. Banyan tree that we planted here. Okay, no, this side, there. Almost 30 years ago, in 90, small little seed. The seed is so small, small like a mustard seed, that's small. And in that seed, there is a genetic coding knowledge of the whole tree. In 30 years, it will become like this. It will live for 300 years. After 20 years, the secondary branches will start coming down. The whole genetic coding is there in the small little thing for the next 300 years. So is it matter or is it knowledge? It's all genetic coding, na? Or kya hai? Therefore, knowledge is included in Sadeva Saumya Idamagram Asit. Can you see that? Sadasi. Okay, leave that for the time being. I know it can become clearer when I put it here. Sad Asit. What is there is Sad. And Sad has become the world. Therefore, what? What he called as Sat Ekam Eva Advitiyam, one non-dual, is now manifest as what? Jagat Karanam. The same Sat, without undergoing any change, is Jagat Karanam Brahma Ishvara. And then he shifts. He says, Sa Atma Shetaketu Tomasi. That Atma is yourself. I thought you were talking about Brahman. The Upanishad uses words very indiscriminately. Modern commentators. No, deliberately used to show Atma and Brahman is one and the same. Deliberately used, consciously used. That what is revealed as Sat, existence, is nothing but you. Which you? Consciousness. So he is saying limitless Sat. Why limitless? Because from this Sat, all this has come. All this includes what? Time, space and everything in time and space. Yeah? You can't leave time and space outside. From Sat, time and space and everything in time and space has come. That means what is there? Limitlessness. Because if time and space has to come from a source, that source has to be limitless. Because what is limitlessness? That which is unconditioned by time and space. Therefore, limitless existence, Sad, manifests as a world, And that is nothing but you consciousness. After doing what? Bhagatyaga Lakshana. You has been resolved into consciousness. Jaha Jaha Lakshanaya. Bhagatyaga Lakshanaya, we are negated what can be negated. All your roles, body, mind, etc. negated. Why? All this is Vacharambanam. What is this? You think this is real? You are nothing but a twinkle in your father's eye. Before you are born. What are you? Conceptual. That's why it's called conceptual. Okay, you're conceived. You are conceived. You are a thought. That thought propagated action. As zygote, two cells came into being. Two zygotes. Again the same thing. The mother has no clue what happens. The mother is the creator, alright. In fact, she is called the kshetra, the field. Why? Like the seed and the tree. Why? In that zygote, again, same knowledge. This character will live up to 85 years. Okay. At 50, he will get diabetes. Good chance of him getting diabetes at 50. And if he gets diabetes at 50, heart attack at 65. Then if he takes care of health, that, etc., he will reach up to 85. Potential is 85. Coding, genetic coding. Are you getting the understanding? The whole thing is right there. Conceived, conceptual, the body, mind, conceptual. What are you? Consciousness. Now, that is limitless existence. And I am consciousness. थोड़ा अलग नहीं दिखते? Tell me, what is the limit? What is there to limit consciousness? Space? Yeah, because you are there, I am here. To make it simple, how do you see space? Tell me that. How do you see space? Is space seen by your physical eye? No. For anything to be seen by your eye, light has to be reflected. Space does not reflect light. If space was going to reflect light, you will not see anything. Right? A light came out and space reflected it back. Finished. There will be no light. But you still see space. The blind person also sees space. Yeah, the blind also knows space. I know a blind physiotherapist in Bombay. Stays at Vikhroli, travels all the way to Colaba on his own. Come for it. How? Space, the awareness of space is good. You see space. Exactly like how you see your emotions, your thoughts, your ideas. It's called Sakshi Vetyam in Sanskrit. The Sakshi, the knower, you, consciousness, sees it directly without the necessity of a sense organ.
Sakshi?
Sakshi Vetyam. Similarly, time. What is the unit of time? And what is time? Let's cut across. Forget unit of time. What is the idea of time? Using science, time is what? The gap between two events. Scientific definition. Gap between two events is time. The two events can be sunrise, sunset, or the two pulses of a quartz that you use in your quartz watches. Events has to be defined. That's okay, it can be anything. But the gap between two events is time. Again, science. there is no event without an observer. There is no event without an observer. Therefore, the gap between two events literally becomes gap between two observations. What is an observation? Mind and then. Therefore, the gap between two thoughts. The gap between two observations is a gap between two thoughts. And what is there between two thoughts? What is there? You, the conscious being. Okay. Therefore, when you are looking at existence awareness, through the sequencing of thoughts, you get an illusion called time. Which year is this? 2018? No. It is actually 2050. The Gregorian calendar which you are using now, the English calendar, they missed out 32 years. They said before the birth of Christ and after his death, and he lived for 32 years. Oh, बीच में 32 years किधर गया? No, but this is 2018, okay? Don't write 2050 in your checks will not be cashed. Why? Now you know what time is. According to Hindu calendar, 3000 and something, no?
5109.
Huh?
5109.
5109, because the Kali Yuga which you are going now started with the death of Krishna. That was 3000 BC, roughly. So around 3000 BC plus 2000, 5000. Can you see that? It's a measurement. We created measurements. We created measurements. For I consciousness is aware of this whole thing. Hey, how am I limited by time or space? Therefore, there is limitless existence, there is limitless consciousness. Can there be two limitless things? If there are two limitless things, both become limited. Therefore, what is talked about as Sat, existence, is nothing but Chit, consciousness. Therefore, Sadeva Saumya Idamakram Asit Ekameva Advitiyam Brahman. And Sa Atma Tatvamasi Shvetaketu. It ends like that. That Atma, which you have talked about as Brahman, but is nothing, not different from the Atma. He is yourself, O Shvetaketu. How can I be that? Negate what you are not. What you are, you retain. Come to that pure Sakshi, the witnesser of everything. I am the one who is conscious of everything. That conscious being entity is equated to Brahman. And from Jagat Karanam Brahman. Why? Karna Karya is Mithya. The moment you say cause effect, it becomes Mithya. It can be negated. Kurta. Kurta? Cloth. If I don't stitch it, it becomes just cloth. Dekha? Cloth. If this is stitched, it becomes kurta. Correct? Eh? For which you will give a name. Uttariyam in Sanskrit. Angavastram, colloquially. But in Maharashtra, Angavastram means other things. Therefore, better to use Upavastram, Upastram, shortened, or Uttariyam. Yeah. Where is it? There is nothing but cloth. Creation is really not creation, it's only a manifestation. What is a manifestation? The expression of a potential. Name and form. In these examples, it's very clear name and form. Some examples, it's much more complex. You have to go to more fundamental levels, that's all. That's why I usually say, what is this? Paper. Paper is Satyam. Paper doesn't exist. Right? It is wood pulp. Wood pulp in this form is called paper. Wood pulp in that form can be called a bommai in Tamil. Okay, a statue. Paper mesh. Wood pulp. Wood pulp. Hydrocarbons. Fundamental matter, hydrocarbons? No, that's a molecule. Atoms have hydrogen. Atoms, fundamental matter? No way. There are 132 particles now. And they're still looking for that goddamn particle. And if you find it, will you get it a final matter? No. Why? Because it's got a name and form. If it's got a name and form, it can be resolved into its content. Like how paper got resolved into wood pulp. Anything with a name and form implies content. Therefore, it can be reduced into its content. And what is the content? What is the final content? Something that exists, because we started with this. Something that exists but which is formless, because form means it can be reduced. So, formless existence. What is the truth of this? Formless existence. Sadeva idamagram asid. Aduna api sadeva. Right now also Sad has disappeared. Those who have come for the Gita, na bhavo vidyate sataha, na sato vidyate bhavo. Has Sat disappeared? Of course not, Sat is Sat only. Has the cloth disappeared in the kurta? Where is Sat disappearing? No, as it is there. Therefore, Tattvamasi is possible. What are you doing? Concepts are being broken. Concepts are being negated. That's all. Because all that you call as creation, all that you call as functional are nothing but concepts. Vacharambana. What's the difference between idli and a dosa? Conceptual. Mava eva satyam. And what's the difference between that and the dhokla? Same thing. All there is nothing but annam. Then go to Pancha Mahabhutas, dialectical. Pancha Mahabhutas. From Pancha Mahabhutas into Maya, Brahman. You take any paradigm. Therefore, Tattvamasi works because possible to negate it. All contradictions, adjectival relationship contradictions are mithya, not real. It's only apparent contradiction. If you go for by Lakshana, it resolves into you. You are the reality beyond all that you see. Think it over. I have extended by 6 minutes. Okay. Have a cup of tea and come back by 11:45. Okay. You have more than 20 minutes. Yeah.